All right, now we're currently logged in. So, since we're logged in, the next thing to do is to look below just after your home trending subscription history under your library. Now, go ahead and click on this particular icon that says history. Okay, here we'll be able to see some option varying from uh these are all the videos we watched. Actually, we need to delete them because there are a lot of videos. We can actually delete them individually, but if you've watched 500 videos so far since you've signed into your YouTube account, it's definitely going to be displayed here. So I did suggest to you, all you need to do is to scroll down a little and select these particular options that just says clear your or watch history. So go ahead and select this particular option and click on clear watch history right here. So once you click on it, it's going to clear all your history. And if you scroll up, you're going to see that this history has no video. So now that's done. The next thing you need to do is just to click on your search history to check to see. Now this is actually few because I cleared my history once in a while. So you should also make sure you do that. Now all you need to do in order to get internal server error fixed is just to go ahead and click on this clear all search history. So once you've clicked on it, go ahead and select this particular option. Now this is done. All you need to do is to go back to your home page and then start searching and watching for videos which you want to watch or that interest you. So I believe this video tutorial is going to help you to fix your YouTube internal server error which you're actually facing. But if this error continues, make sure you leave a comment and leave a message. You can also send me a message. Just go to about and then you'll be able to get my email, leave me a message, and hopefully I'm definitely going to respond to, because I actually respond to all the email requests I get constantly for any different video. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. My name is Trust Stanley from TS Tech Talk.